2022, Fresenius Medical Care aligned the Biomedical Evidence Generation Team and the Renal Research Institute under one umbrella. Through translational research, these global teams are working to apply research findings to care delivery at the bedside, faster, effectively, and more efficiently.
It allows a coordinated activities to really bring forward regulatory aspects and to shorten the timeline for regulatory approval of devices.
We are driving integrated clinical evidence generation plans in terms of functions are being heard and internal needs are being reflected on. A marketing need, regulatory need for sure, health economics and outcomes research, real-world evidence, data analytics, so many different aspects. As you can see, we have a lot of stakeholders, a lot of partners within our company that we are collaborating with.
Collaboration is extremely important because most of the new project ideas are generated through collaboration and sometimes into research directions that weren't anticipated by any individual group. So it's really a vital part of our research.
Hopefully for patient community in the near future, we have different, better therapy options that we can offer.
As a think tank dedicated to kidney research, RRI has an uncommon advantage. Scientists in many disciplines work in concert to develop new treatment options, including computation medicine, data analytics, statistics, mathematical modeling, engineering, and technology.
For our research, it's really vital to closely work with physicians, biologists, engineers sometimes to really cover that full spectrum from human physiology to daily clinical practices and applied research. And RI really provides this entire breadth of scientific knowledge and expertise. And only if we are able to integrate all of this knowledge and expertise, we are able to develop simulations that work in a real-world scenario.
Many cross-functional teams collaborate within the Fresenius Medical Care family. In addition, by partnering with universities, laboratories, and technology companies, they expand the science of kidney care.
The Renal Research Institute team are fabulous to collaborate with, have great hearts and great ideas, and understand the concept of collaboration and the concept of global health.
RI is unique. It has the expertise in the area of kidney disease, kidney research. It's really not found in many places. And it's exciting to bring experts in the field of kidney disease from all over the world, actually, to bear on one point. And because of that, you bring experts with such depth and complementary information to what you're studying. I could be studying a small slice of imaging, and other groups from around the world may be doing something similar, but they can add to that and bring to bear new techniques, new data, new information that will push my research forward.
The Renal Research Institute has always been on the forefront of building these connections, getting people at the table. The Monitoring Dialysis Outcome Initiative basically being one of the prime examples for that, which now comprises data of more than 200,000 patients and allows for us to really conduct epidemiology research on a very large scale.
A few years ago, they allowed us to look at the pediatric cohort, and in fact, it's called Piccolo Mondo for Small World. We've been able to do a couple of publications focusing on 0 to 29-year-old patients within that cohort, and we continue to provide venues and international collaborators so that they can enter more data and the pediatric data becomes more robust.
Annually, RRI hosts a conference to bring together clinicians, physicians, scholars, and researchers to discuss the state of renal science, past, present, and future.
The RI conference proved to be a very valuable avenue for people to meet. It's also a great vehicle to really distribute knowledge.
They allowed us to create the pediatric conference at the Renal Research Institute to bring pediatric nephrologists in training to come and learn under one roof and to get together almost on a 1-to-1 ratio with faculty and to establish friendships and relationships so that they become future collaborations for future multi-site trials.
Integrating biomedical evidence generation and computational medicine with the Renal Research Institute is a unique approach to investigating new and exciting directions in kidney medicine.
As a global team, we are set up in this unique way to actively discuss and find new solutions and smart ways to do clinical research in the future.
This is just a unique setup. I don't think that in other companies something like this exists. And I see one of my main goals to encourage the flow of information between those groups, and then also to bring those learnings, those insights to other parts of the organization.